Hello everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports Mercedes-Benz, and we're back with another vehicle walk-around tour. Going to be highlighting today's 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This vehicle is listed with a black exterior. It does kind of have a grayish exterior to it though. Yeah, today's video is going to kind of walk through some of the interior and exterior features of the vehicle, and if you're interested in learning more or you even want to set up a test drive, we'd love to help you out. You can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our interior here. Point out the Mercedes star on the ground there. We have power memory seats and heated seats here as well. Nice little dark wood grain accent trim. You got your various door and window controls there. We've got our driver's seat with lumbar support. Sunroof, front and rear. Do have a heated steering wheel. Let's turn that to activate that. And let's hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 44,159. And we got this nice dark wood grain accent trim on your dash as well as the doors. Push button ignition. And let's talk our steering wheel first. So here on the left side, we've got our cruise control settings here, and then a home touchpad and back button. Pressing that home button will allow you to customize this driver interface here. For example, if you want to have your navigation, or even quickly change a radio station, just flip through with your little touchpad right here. Woo! Radio works. So on that note, on the other side, we have our volume controls right here, as well as our cell phone accept or decline a call, Bluetooth settings, and then another home touchpad and back button. Just pressed home, and that brought up the home page of our main display here. And then again, you can just use this little touchpad, slide back and forth, up and down, and then just press down to select. Back to our steering wheel, we've got our wiper and turn signal controls right here. On the other side, we have our shifter. So you'll just flip up for reverse, which will then activate your backup camera. Press down for drive, and then push in for park. It's also a touchscreen display, so of course you can just control it using the touchscreen itself. So there's our radio, phone if we had that connected, also Bluetooth or USB media as well. And we have ambient lighting throughout the vehicle too, so that's all fully customized right here in the menu. All kinds of different multicolor settings, or you can use the color wheel and just do a single one. Plenty more we could show you within the menu system. We'll just kind of keep this video short and sweet for you here. Down here we have our physical climate control buttons to raise or lower temperature, adjust the air distribution, and so on. Excuse me. You can also press this menu button, which will then bring up a full climate menu in your display. Below that you have some quick access buttons for telephone, navigation, radio, vehicle settings, and so on. Below that, a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, cup holders, USB connection, and then you have the third way to control your display is with this touchpad right here. Again, swipe left, right, up and down, and then press down to select. Alright, also have your dynamic select switch here. So you'll just flip that up or down, and that'll switch between the different performance modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you on the road. All right, hop out, show you rear seats here next. Again, that dark accent trim in the rear as well. Rear seats, have a look at your sunroof. And let's do one more quick peek back up front. All right. Last but not least, coming around to the rear, we've got our badging, GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC. You've got your rear windshield wiper. and a power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage space here, but one thing I do love about the GLC 300s, they also have a switch right here, which you can easily flip to lower those rear seats for even more storage. And then push button to close. So once again, this is the 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. If you're interested in learning more or want to set up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.